right, so I'm really looking forward to laying out the space. We're gonna get a lot of curb appeal up here. It's completely different from before.
Yeah, I mean, the stone wall brings a lot to the front entrance. Gives us defined space.
So much more space.
So why don't we get all the plants in place, we'll lay them out, adjust them, and when we all agree, get them in the ground.
Great.
Awesome.
All right, so let's grab the little boxwoods. Those are gonna go along the front. Let's get the Japanese hollies for the front door. There's 2 of them, so we'll put 1 on either side. All right, next, what do we want in the foundation? I think we talked hydrangeas.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, let's bring these to the foundation side. So these are gonna get big. So we'll space them at least 3-4 feet apart. Let's do hostas next. All right, so these are bearberry. They're a native ground cover. They only get to be about 1 foot tall. They're awesome, but I like to place them near rocks. Look at that.
I love that.
I did bring you this cute
Yeah,
little.
I love that.
This is a dwarf mugo pine. It's evergreen and it only grows 2 to 3 inches a year, so I thought it'd be great to anchor over here at the end of this area.
Yeah, that looks good.
These are dwarf fountain grasses, and I think they should be laid out in this zigzag fashion only, well, for a couple reasons. They're gonna be about 2 feet tall, but by leaving these spaces in between, you're gonna be able to plant in between, and it also, in the zigzag fashion, it's gonna break up these 2 straight lines. Okay, so let's assess. It's always good to look at it after you lay it out. I think it's close. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely. I love it.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
I think the boxwood should come forward like 6 inches or so, just because it's gonna give those grasses a little bit more area to grow in. That just opens it up.
Much better.
All right, shovel time. All right. So we only have 4 hostas, right? 2 on either side, but it would be nice if we had 4 on either side. So what I'm gonna do is take it and I'm gonna cut it in half. You take that one, I'll take this one, and now 1 turned into 2.
Jen, it looks great.
I really like how it all turned out. I like the straight lines of the hydrangeas and boxwoods, and then
Love
the
it.
flow of the zigzag of the dwarf fountain grass. So just keep watering and raking. But first, I want to show you one more thing before I leave.
Okay.
All right, guys, this is what I wanted to show you. This is a different type of sod. It's called micro clover. So this is a combination of clover and black beauty grass. The clover is going to thrive more in the summer, and the black beauty grass is going to thrive better in the colder weather. And, you know, once it gets started, you water it in the beginning, but eventually you're not going to have to really water it, and you just let nature take its course.
So no fertilizer on this lawn?
No, this is actually the microclover creates its own nitrogen. So it's a nitrogen fixing sod. So it's enough to be sustainable to keep it green without putting fertilizer on.
Saves me a couple weekends of work.
Absolutely. It's better for the environment too.
Great.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.